An e-commerce site is a revenue machine, and we need to take proper care of it to make it grow. In Gutenberg WordPress, building an e-commerce site is now more convenient than ever. With StoreEngine, it's now truly easier, faster, and more beautiful to build e-commerce stores in WordPress Gutenberg. You can create stunning product pages to showcase your items just the way you want. Design beautiful checkout pages, make the process more convenient, and build elegant cart lists. Payment gateway integration and processing, all possible within StoreEngine. It also scales with add-ons and provides shortcodes for broad accessibility from any page builder. Migration from an existing store to a new one is easy to handle. Creating new products, adding prices, and launching your e-commerce store is now simpler than ever. When StoreEngine is combined with aBlocks, the power peaks. Building and customizing every aspect of your e-commerce website with aBlocks is now incredibly fast and easy, perfectly matching your brand and flexibility. It comes with dedicated blocks for customizing every e-commerce element according to your own needs. aBlocks also includes template kits, ready-made templates to build any website with just one click, including full demo content and e-commerce support. You just need to upload your products, and your site will be ready to sell faster than ever. Showcasing products, customizing headers and footers globally, everything is now easier than before. In this video, we'll learn step-by-step how to build a complete e-commerce site and design it beautifully using Gutenberg. First, make sure you have an FSE theme installed on your site. I'm using Aria FSE, which is the recommended theme for StoreEngine. Now, let's move on to install StoreEngine. Search for it, hit install, and then activate. Next, we'll install aBlocks to design our e-commerce website with full flexibility using native Gutenberg customization power. Both plugins are now activated properly, right? Let's move forward to explore StoreEngine. Enable necessary add-ons like PayPal, Stripe, and more. Download fonts for a better experience. From the Tools option, explore features like WordPress and server status, regenerating missing pages if needed, shortcodes, and CSV import-export. Before launching our store, we need to configure the basic setup using the Settings option, like store name, email, currency, and store address. Customize brand styles, cart, checkout, and shipping. We have another video on shipping management available on the StoreEngine YouTube channel. Now, it's time to configure payment methods. Set up your required payment integrations from here. You can also boost sales with the built-in affiliate option. Email add-ons give you the power to customize every store email dynamically. There's also invoice management along with page setup. After completing the configuration, let's move forward to create our first product for the store. Click All Products, then Add New Product. Provide the product title and description. Select whether it's a physical or digital product. Upload images and hit Create Product. Now it's time to add the product price. Enter the title, price, and compare price. Then update the product. Accordingly, add more products as needed. Let's take a look at our products on the shop page. All added successfully, right? Now it's time to build the full website using aBlocks. It comes with 70+ blocks, including dedicated StoreEngine blocks, ready-made templates for e-commerce and other websites, plus speed optimization features. Let's preview an e-commerce template. Click Start Import to import the template. This template requires aBlocks Pro, but you can choose another one if you want to skip this requirement. I've already installed the Pro version off-screen. Now import the template with images. Click the Import button. Once imported, visit your site. The template will automatically update your store's header and footer too. Let's start customizing it. Click Edit Page. I'll showcase our products on the landing page by adding a block. StoreEngine provides a dedicated list of blocks to customize every aspect. Add the StoreEngine product block. It will automatically display your store products. Customize query items, cards, styles, typography, and more as needed. You can turn off pagination if required. The template already includes a product showcase section using the loop builder. We can update taxonomy filters and queries to inherit our recently added products. For proper control, we need to set categories for every product. Go back to the Products page, click Edit, and assign categories. Do this for all products. Now return to the landing page editor and filter by category. Adjust display per page as needed. We don't need the static section. We'll keep only the dynamic one built with the loop builder. Hit Save to keep changes. We can update titles, content, and styles with the advanced options. Let's visit our updated site. Now we'll update the hero background color to match our brand. Also, update the header and footer background colors accordingly. You can explore and customize every element as needed. Visit the website again after the final updates. Interesting, right? That's how we can create an e-commerce site and design every element with the perfect combination of StoreEngine and aBlocks. How does it feel? Stay updated and keep building your next website with Gutenberg. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.